Okay, this is going to be a short little tutorial on using, actually selecting straight points, making an object, making a guideline, making guides, okay, it's called making guides, and then using the sublayers in the layers panel in Illustrator. So this is an example of what it looked like, and the first thing to click on the download file to download the file I'm going to start with, okay? So I'm going to download that. Once it downloads, we can close this. So then you have to go back to Creative Cloud to open your version of Illustrator, which we have Illustrator open. So we can now open up that file we just downloaded. So calling that. So now it's not going to look like it's not going to look the same as our. So you have to change the color. So I'm going to go with all those things. So first off, we need to actually select this called stray points. So we can't see them, but down here. So you can see actually they're down here. But there's going to be a test question that says select all the stray points and delete them. So to be able to select all of them at one time, we have to go into select object and then click on stray points. So all these down here are actually stray points because we couldn't see them. But now we just click on backspace and delete them. So we're going to highlight, we're going to delete them. So now just highlight the star layer, these little layers. So what I need to do is about the same size of this is my little outline. Okay, I can't click on it right now because it's locked. So we're going to create a little outline of that shape there. So with the ellipse tool. So we're going to hold down the Shift and Alt key together, and it creates a little, so I'm drawing from the center, and it's going to actually create a little shape there. About the size of our little shape. And it might be actually, yours might have looked like, might have been see-through. I'm not sure how it looked. It really doesn't matter how it looks, but basically you're going to actually now, yeah, then just, if it's solid, filled in like mine, or anything, it doesn't really matter. But you need to make it a guideline. So we're going to go to the View, Guides, and then Make Guides right here. So now when you click on it, it should be that kind of light blue outline. So you can't click on it. It's just a guideline, okay? So again, you're still in your star layer. So what we're going to do is actually make a star in that shape. So same number of points, okay? So I'm going to hold this down and go to the star tool. So what we're going to do is actually start drawing from the center here. So with my mouse held down, I can increase or decrease the number of stars. So I'm just hitting the up and down arrows on my keyboard, okay? Right here. So let's say there's 5, 6, 7. Let's see. I need to create 8 here. And also, while I'm still holding my mouse, right? I'm still holding my mouse. I hold down the Control key and I can determine the size of my points on my star here. So again, so holding it down, I've got the size of my points. I can hold the Shift key down, and it's going to actually force that. So now I actually can. Now I'm holding the Shift key to make sure it's straight. Now let go of my key on my mouse, and then let go of the Shift key. So we've got this kind of outline here. Okay, so now I can go back to that selection tool. So I don't want to make another star. I just want to select it. And so now I need to actually change the fill color to a green. Okay? So now what I'm going to do actually is take on, we've worked on deleting the straight points, making a guideline, and then making a star shape of that outline. And now we're going to click on these different things here. So we can actually click on, these are actually dealing with layers here. So undo that. And these are called, this is called the parent layer, the one on the top. But these are called sublayers right here. So I want to select everything at once. So I don't want to select hold the Shift key and select all the things right there. I can easily do that by selecting this little target right here. So that selects everything on that little, the clock that's on the time layer. So I want to bring that layer down to the time, this time shape, or time object down to the time layer. Okay? So I'm going to click on that little square that comes up right next to that, the time, and bring it to that time layer. So look for that now as red because it's on the red time layer. Okay. Now before I leave, I want to change it to, let's go change to time because orange, right? So I'm going to click on the fill color and click on this orange here. It should be on yours when you gel in. So that, oh wait, I'm sorry. That's the green. Let's see. So I can easily change that. So that means the green here. Okay. Now I'm actually going to do the print icon, which is orange, you know. So I can click on this, and it's going to highlight just the print. And so I can click on that little square, the green square, and I'm going to go down to the print layer. So I'm putting all the objects on their correct layers. Now that one, actually click on the fill and change to this orange here. I can click off here. Now I have two more layers. The home layer has to go to the home, or the home object has to go to the home layer. So I just click on it with the circle like I did before and bring it down. So now all the different layers are on, different objects are on their own layer. So now home, let's go back to this blue and the talking thread. So with home still selected, now it's got right here, so you can actually see it's home selected. Now I'm going to change the fill color to a blue. And then now I'm going to click out here to let it deselect. And then click on the circle next to chat. So I want to have that chat layer selected. Now that needs to be red. Okay, so this is the red. So you're actually just changing these first colors down here. So I'll click on that. Okay, and that should finish it. So that's actually bringing, there's going to be a test question that says like put the layers on the specific objects on the right layers. Okay, and that should finish it. Now we're going to actually turn it in. So click on File and then Save As, right? Change your computer. And I'm going to save the same name, okay? I don't know how to change the name at all. Click on Save. I'll replace it. And click OK. Now just go to Canvas and I'll turn it in. So click on Start, choose, and then the straight points here, and upload. And submit that. That should finish it. Thanks for watching.